Your fleet drives your business, and you rely on it to deliver products and services. Keeping your trucks on the road can be challenging, and when a vehicle is down, your business and reputation suffer. Did you know that the national average cost of a downed truck is between $448 and $760 per day? Not having parts available when a breakdown occurs creates downtime in your operation. Waiting for repairs to begin can cause additional issues with missed deliveries and appointments, costing you revenue. So ask yourself, what does a downed truck cost you? Wheeler Plus was designed to streamline your shop by offering a customizable program that will fit your needs, combined with parts from the brands you know and trust. Now you can manage maintenance and parts ordering all in one system. With Wheeler Plus, we evaluate your current inventory, removing dead stock so you always have what you need. Automatic replenishment builds your next order for you as you issue the parts out, making inventory control effortless. Buying direct from one source leaves your technicians free to work on trucks, not shopping for parts. Wheeler Plus eliminates waiting for deliveries and lowers your invoice management time, keeping your staff focused on your fleet while lowering downtime in your shop. Accurate inventory control prevents overordering, so you always have the right parts when you need them. Wheeler Plus allows you to focus time on your business and invest capital in growth instead of stocking parts. Wheeler Plus supports 300,000 vehicles each day with parts and inventory management. Keeping your vehicles on the road is what drives us, and that's Uptime Delivered. To learn more about our products and other services, please visit wheelerfleet.com.